wish I was in Miami right now. Well, we gotta live with it. What can I say? Everything is closed. Schools are closed. Banks are closed. Supermarkets, I seen they were closed. Stores, everything is literally closed. And there's nobody on the street. I'm the only one on the street, I think. It's pretty ugly, can't lie. There's all the snow. It's ugly. Get back to you guys later. Okay. Let's look at this ugly weather. Coming down very bad. It's pretty ugly. Can't lie. There's nobody on the streets. It looks like the end of the world. Very ugly. Very ugly. Wow. Snowing with ice and sleet and hail. This stuff inside the car is all hail, just to let you know. We're in the blizzard of 2010. Pretty ugly, can't lie. Well, I guess I'll stop recording before I make an accident. I'll get back to you guys later. Still snowing. This is how many inches. Wow. Coming down. The roof. Still snowing. It's not going to stop till later on tonight. Wow. It's the blizzard of 2010.